It's time to eat, baby. We're cooking with the NASCAR chef, John Dix.
This week we're going to do just a side dish.
Yeah.
It's called cheesy garlic green beans. Very simple, but I guarantee you very tasty. Okay, you're going to start with 1 pound of fresh green beans. You want to trim them up. 2 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan cheese, 4 cloves of garlic. Boy, I can't talk this morning. Mince them up. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, a half a cup of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Okay, guys, you want to preheat your oven to about 425. In a bowl, you want to toss the green beans in the olive oil, get them coated real good. Then you're going to sprinkle your garlic and your salt and pepper over them, toss them again till they're real good and seasoned, and then transfer them to a baking dish or baking pan, whichever is easier for you. Then you want to sprinkle the Parmesan cheese on top and bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove them from the oven and sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on top and put it back in the oven for about 5 to 6, maybe 7 minutes, or just until the cheese is melted. Guys, they are that simple, but you'll love them, and I guarantee you'll do them again because they are very, very tasty.